morning, Miss.
Good morning.
Introduce them from the Dragon Company. This is Ingrid Fitria Gunawan, the owner of the company, Miss Ayu Ramadhani as the manager of Dragon Company, and Mr. Reynaldo, an employee of the company. He will be work with us a next supplier later, Miss.
Oh, okay. Thank you, Miss Ingrid, Miss Ayu, and Mr. Rizwan, for taking your time to negotiate the material and the design of the mask we will make later. Okay, before we start, I will introduce myself. My name is Nitya, as the owner of Big Hit Company. Okay, can we start?
Yes, can Miss.
Okay, then, Miss Paul, don't forget to note important part in this negotiation.
Fine, Miss.
Okay, to Dragon Company, please to explain.
Well, thank you for Miss Nitya. For it, I will introduce myself. My name is Ingrid Fitria Gunawan. I am owner from Dragon Company. Okay, uh, thank you for the opportunity that has been give trust our company to work with your company about our product. And then about ingredients and design will be explained by our manager and employee.
Well, thank you for the opportunity. So, as I have put forward in the proposal a few days ago, our company submitted the material. In the fabric, any two material for this product. The first is slick cloth. Slick cloth itself a fabric made from natural protein fibers, which the slick cloth can be used as a mask because 54% can ward off the coronavirus enter the body. So you can see the material of slick. That's I zoom it for you. Nah, and the second material we will use cotton. If it is a cotton cloth, the cotton fabric itself is a fabric made from natural fibers. This cotton cloth is often used in making masks or clothes. So usually it's used for the making clothes. This fabric has a cool material. This cotton can be used as a mask because it is believed 74% can help prevent the coronavirus and from entering the human body. This material cotton, you can see detail picture.
Okay, so as explained by manager, we offer two types fabric of the mask, and then has advantage and disadvantage. It's our then miss when view from the safety ingredients, we recommend it to use mask by cotton cloth, but I we return it again to you, Miss. Choose the ingredients to our product makes this.
Well, thank you for the presentation. After I see the proposal before it, I and my employees also agree to choose the material for making masks. So, what about the design?
Okay, Miss. Thank you. Well, for the design, will be explained by our employee.
Well, thank you for the opportunity. So the max design that we offer is like a medical max that we often encounter, where max are saved like this easy and convenient to use, and we don't take long to think about its size because this max will be stone for the straps. Then not only adults, children can also wear it. Love drawing a max that looks like Sensi from Cartoon Code, one plain, one pattern.
Okay, thanks for the explanation. I think it's a good idea. However, there are already many designs like this that sell. So, what are the uniqueness of the mask?
Okay, miss, so the max will not only print cotton cloth, but cotton fabric that has image such as floral, abstract or other miss. So that is interaction to miss. So even though we take care of our heart, make the makes our patient for now, miss.
Wow, it's good idea. I agree with this idea. Miss Pauline, don't forget to note. And we use cotton material with the usual mask design, uh, but there are but there are different motifs.
Okay, well, I think we have conveyed everything. Miss, what do you think about it? Or Miss, are there any order addition?
I think it's done to miss because from the agenda that we have all discussed. So I think it's enough until here, Miss. Thank you for the explanation and thank you for your cooperation.
Okay, well, I and my colleagues also thank you for Miss giving trust our company to work with your company. Okay, thank you.
Yes, Miss.
Let me take you there. Uh, Good morning, Miss. Introduce them for IU Company. Puspita Sari, the owner of the company. This is Mr. Wansa Pangorodai as manager at IU Company. These are the people who will work with us as Max distributors later, Miss.
Oh, okay, thank you. Thank you to Miss Pusita, Mr. Wansa, to take your time to negotiate the storage and marketing of the Max product. Okay, before that, I will introduce myself. My name is Nitya Indiani Rangkuti as the owner of Big Hit Company. Okay, can we start?
Yes,
Yes,
yes, Miss.
Okay, Miss Paul, don't forget to write it.
Okay, Miss.
Okay, for Miss Pusita and Mr. Wansa, please explain.
Okay, thank you for the opportunity. As we have sent in the proposal early in this collaboration, we want to provide the best service from our company to your company, because not only we want to work with your company, but we also want to carry out uh, activities for all people who also feel the impact of this virus. All right, for that, I will submit a presentation to my manager.
Well, thank you for the given opportunity. So, our company has decided that the mask is ready, we store it in the warehouse, which in this warehouse will be ensured safety, but from hygienity and sterility. And before the goods arrive at our warehouse, we will spray it using disinfectant. Then, when someone wants to take the product, the person who takes it must also guarantee its stability. Then, the goods eventually become safe.
Okay, fine. What about the marketing phase?
Okay, as for the as for
Uh, uh, so it's not to trouble.
When viewed from the current situation and condition, I think we can distribute the right place of the cell to the nearest pharmacy. Later, we thank the sales employee for the way they market it to consumer.
Whether pharmacy referred to here are all pharmacy in the city.
Well, right, miss. So later we'll make these marks in large quantities because many people need this mask.
Sorry, but does it not take long?
I think not, miss. Especially with this era, I'll quickly known to many people later will are working with the sales department.
Oh, okay, well, sir, I will coordinate with the sales department in our company, and I will announce the decision at tomorrow via email.
All right, miss. I will take the permission to deliver our coworkers first.
Yes, please.
Good morning, miss. Our sales manager has arrived, miss. This is Miss Kesia Infantry as the sales manager in our office. Miss Rika is a direct sales employee, and Miss Ezra is sales online in employee. These are the people who will be involved in our newest project, Miss.
Oh, okay. Thank you to Miss Kesia, Miss Rika, and Miss Ezra for taking the time to negotiate how to market our product. Okay, can we start?
yes, can miss.
Yes, miss.
Okay. Miss Paul, don't forget to write it, okay?
Okay, Miss.
Okay, well, as I said at the beginning, we will discuss about how to market it. So before that, before we start, are you willing if it later in marketing you will work in the distributor? Because yesterday I had a suggestion that the sales department was from company.
If from me, I agree with you, miss, so that we will be easier to work later.
Yes, I also agree with Miss Keisha.
Yes, I agree, Miss.
Okay, then to Miss Paul, don't forget to email IU company because we will work with them and the sales department of our company.
Okay, Miss.
Well, Do you already have an idea how can we market the mass product later?
Don't miss.
Okay, can you explain?
Okay, well, thank you for the opportunity, Miss. As for me, where I as a direct sales, I have a suggestion to socialize uh, to my house. But because now the time is social distancing, we also have to always keep clean.
Okay, good idea. But due to current situation and condition, it seems like this idea is not possible in this situation. There are there other.
I suggest we give a brochure on the streets, so it also minimizes things that we don't want because at least there must be some people on the streets reading it.
Okay, are there others?
Okay, thank you all. My name is Ezra. I'm is online sales employee, and I want to share screen my advice. Okay, all. If my advice, we socialize, yes. But socializing here via technology, for example, from our company Instagram. Then we create WhatsApp groups, lines, and other social media. In this, I share to you why to promotion from Instagram. Especially condition now which certainly many people use their cell phones when bored.
Well, I think this one. Okay, fine. I answered no. Okay, can you do it as soon as possible?
Yes, can miss.
Okay, well, if so our discussion is finished, the report as soon as possible to my secretary.
All right, miss. We will leave you to it. Excuse me, miss.
Yes, please.
Okay, next. Good morning, Miss. The next is our financial manager has reached Miss Almi Aisyah.
Okay, thank you, Miss Paul, and thank you to Miss Almi Aisyah for taking your time to negotiate for the price of the Max product. Okay, can we start, Miss?
Okay, Miss.
Okay, Miss Paul, don't forget to write it, okay?
Yes, Miss.
So as I have sent via email, we can fix.
Thank you for the opportunity. So I see from the email that you give me that, in my opinion, the price is too big if 10,000 rupees because now situation is difficult. There are many other mark sellers. People in our country in general are more focused on low price rather than quality, not all but most. Then when viewed from the economic condition of our people today, when viewed when viewed from the available raw materials, then from the expenditure, I think the price of the mask, if we will, if if we sell 5,000, we still get a profit. Then when I see it, I think when the product we make are interesting like this, certainly many people buy.
Okay, I think your offer is not too cheap.
I have counted everything missed, and the result we will not get a lot. If we sell 1,000 piece, only get only we get almost with the profit.
Are you sure?
I'm sure, miss.
Well, I trust this to you. Okay, if later there are obstacles, please contact my secretary.
All right, miss. Thank you, miss.
Okay.
Then I will leave, miss.
Yes, please.
Okay, the conclusion in the negotiation, we can get the max material to be used. The second, the of a max to be used. Next, product storage and marketing, how to market it, and the last, the price of the max to be sold.
Okay, thank you to Miss Paul, and thank you for all participants for take a time to negotiate. I hope we will work together and to this corporation. Don't forget to thank you and see you.